up in a mountain. So we are coming recorded to you, not live because of the service. It stinks, but we had to bring it to you. What was that?
I don't know, it didn't sound good.
Alright, you said where? Traffic circle to what?
You're just gonna go around and go straight.
I hope it was just a rock.
Yeah.
To be honest with you.
I'm sick and tired of that shit. My phone's hot.
Because you put it over there.
Yeah, for fucking 2 minutes. Not even. How dumb.
True that. We got moo cows. We got moo cows. We got moo cows over there. So beautiful. So beautiful.
Look at your Christmas tree.
Oh, yes.
These yards.
The yards are beautiful. They got bikers. That's a beautiful farm.
Yeah, I was gonna try to get it without the window. Beautiful mountain view.
No, we haven't. I thought there was a creek right there. That looks like a wheat farm right there. Yeah, you see the cell tower straight ahead. Must not be T-Mobile.
Alright, you're gonna turn right in.
Strawberry Festival.
0.8. Oh, they have a strawberry festival here too? In 0.8.
Where at? Left or right? Right. These are all the campaigns, it looks like, that who's all running over here. We are heading into the mountain.
That's sweet.
Straight ahead, we are heading into the mountain.
We're actually in the mountain already.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought we were on the outskirts of it.
No. We're going to the
But you gotta love these Christmas trees.
It's like the valleys, I think.
Yeah.
Of the mountain.
Old Valley. Crystal Falls Drive. That's cool.
And a half a mile and you're making another right.
So this video here is basically we're going to chase some waterfalls. Alright, we are going directly in to the mountain. It says no trucks this route. But we're taking Glory and Old Yoder and we're going in to chase some waterfalls. slow. My ears are popping.
Mine are too.
Too much storage.
It doesn't say storage. Oh man, my ears keep popping.
Low in the yard. Low in the yard. The Smokey the Bear. He said fire right now is low. So that's good. So we got low on the Smokey the Bear. And we're still going up, guys. And my ears have totally popped.
So there was a house that was up on the, had like his music room where he played drums and stuff.
Oh yeah, the music room. Oh, we're actually on top of the mountain. We have made it to the top, and it looks beautiful. Now we need to come down the mountain, it looks like, and that's what's happening. So we're gonna come.
Appalachian Trail. Wow, really?
Yeah, that's it right there, I think. Appalachian.
This is the, I didn't know that.
Now we're going down for a little bit.
And then back up.
And then back up.
Pleasant Valley Road.
Pleasant Valley Road.
Little old church down there. Down Pleasant Valley.
Yeah, they didn't see it. Speeding, buddy.
To Fredericks County. So Fredericks is on the mountain.
Yeah, we got Fredericks County, and there's a tree right there. I love. Old Christmas tree. Old Christmas tree.
Oh, we have a heck of a line behind us. We're building a convoy.
Yes, we are. We built it with one car. We started.
Started with one car. We got about 20 minutes.
Yeah. Nice little.
It's our patriotic parade.
Yeah. Nice little barn, red barn on the right. Yes, sir. So beautiful. So beautiful. Temperature is 78 up here. Up here in the mountain. So here we go. We already went down, back up. Now we're going down again. So, oh, nice.
We don't have service.
Just keep it like that. Oh, look at these trees, guys. Beautiful.
Oh, pretty.
Those things are beautiful.
This is like a roller coaster. Up and down.
Oh yeah, we're going down.
Yeah.
Then I gotta get me some speed.
Nice old cars in there.
I gotta get me some speed. And then we go up.
Some of these places are like picker paradise.
Look at this. Another beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
There's a flag that said landed.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Straight for 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes straight?
Yep.
All right.
And we're there.
We're almost to the falls.
It's literally, it should dead end into it.
Oh, really?
That's what it looks like on my map.
No, there's a road that goes straight.
Alright, but that's it.
Oh, you see the water down there?
Yeah, this whole river right
look
here.
at that house. Woo, that's old.
This river right here is the same water that was by the falls, whatever that place is called that we're just at, the town.
Yeah.
Same river, like follows all the way to these mountains, I guess. Looks like it. Man, my ears are so hot.
Alright, look how beautiful this is, guys. We got trees on both sides. Over on top of us, we're going through a tree tunnel. Woo! beautiful.
It is. But I'd rather have like a mountain view if I lived down here. Not
We
live in,
will.
like the woods.
Hopefully
you know?
we can find ourselves a mountain view.
Yeah.
You know, I mean.
And the temperature dropped tremendous.
Oh, it just did. Went down to
76.
yeah. It
Did you
was
just say it was
78.
79? 78?
Yeah, 78.
Okay,
So it dropped too.
Here
What
it
is this?
Welcome to Mountain Park. Here we go. Welcome to Cunningham Falls State Park.
Cunningham Star. We're here. So
But
now
where do we go? I don't know.
So we are
look
at
for
a
any
state
parking.
park, but we need to find
Some parking.
the information booth. Oh, right here it says Falls Parking. Right here, straight ahead.
3.5 miles.
All right, warning. Sharp curves.
Pedestrians next 4 miles. So people are going to be walking. Oh, look, there's a creek.
Creek, creek, creek.
Oh, my ears. A lot of knocked down trees.
It's because that's from the beavers.
Is it?
Yeah, beavers.
Or tornadoes.
Oh, no. Beavers.
Beavers knocked down all these big trees.
Yeah, because they use them to put
build
dams.
their dams. Oh, there's a dam right there, speaking of.
Yeah, dam, dam, dam.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
Oh, it's a state park.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Sharp curves.
Oh, look at that rock. That rock was something serious.
Wow, these are some serious curves.
Beautiful, man. Beautiful.
Stand your lane, buddy.
And hopefully we can get a nice little parking spot.
Oh, look at that curve.
Oh, right. Nice little parking spot. When you get a little parking spot.
Yeah, I hope they have room for. They should, because they have camping.
They have camping here?
I think I saw that.
Right,
I looked at a couple of parks. Here we
Wow.
are.
This is
that's
parking.
handicap parking.
Okay.
You can't go there.
Oh, wow, you can walk down there.
Yep.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Oh,
What's
yeah.
down there?
White Creek.
Is it dried up or no?
No, it's got water flowing.
It does?
Yeah.
Alright,
100%.
perfect.
My ear. Yeah, we have no service whatsoever over here.
You know?
No.
Yep. So that's why we have to do a video record. Sorry guys, but we have to, so you guys can see the beauty. And
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
but that stinks that we can't go live out here. Very stinky.
Oh, right here? Okay. Right.
Do we park here? Or how far do we gotta go?
I don't know. I have no clue. But doesn't that sign say? My maps are done because we're here.
I don't think this is it. Because we're going up again.
Yeah, I don't think this is it. Yeah, so next place you can turn around.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. There it is, I think.
Yeah, it should be on this side. What's this right here?
Yep, this is it. State Park. Lake and Falls, 1 mile ahead. Parking. 1.5 miles ahead. I mean, here's the lake. Want to just park here or what? But,
We're gonna go park right here.
alright, the falls are up 1.5 miles then.
We're gonna park here.
Okay, walk.
And this is the area. Welcome to Cunningham Falls State Park. William area. Off the dam. We're swimming over in this area, no alcohol, da 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 da. This is where we're at. It's beautiful. Gotta be careful about these bad boys. And these bad boys. We have made it to one of the dams. It looks like. I'll be damned. You got the water on this side.
What is that?
Oh, that's the swimming area. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
And that's the people talking over there. And then there's the water dam. And then over there, no water. Look at that. Wow, beautiful. Guys, look at this, man. That's a beach thing over there. We gotta go over there.
Yeah.
Like ASAP before they close.
Yeah, and that's why it said up a mile and a half.
And this is where there's no water. And that's where the dam it goes through. So there's the beach area where people swim. That's the beach here in the mountains. But wow. Amazing. It's beautiful. Oh, and then you got people over there fishing. Okay. That's where we would have walked.
Mm-hmm.
Look, it gets deep, man. Deep. They're fishing. Beautiful. Alright. That was the Dam Overlook lot. And we're
1,400.
14,000.
14,000.
Woo!
Wow. 14,370.
So we're 14,000 up on a mountain. And Old Glory has made it. And same with Yoder. Alrighty. We have made it into the actual deep in the forest mountains and bears and creeks. Oh my. What does this say?
Help us keep
Okay.
trash free.
Alright, what is this right here?
Service charge ahead. Be
Oh,
prepared
wow.
to, oh wow.
You're afraid to go in?
Yep. It's a state park.
Oh man, I didn't know that.
That's why we should have parked back there and then just walked.
That's why people were going to the falls. And it costs $7 per person if you are not a Maryland resident. If you are a Maryland resident, it's $5 a person. So we have made it to our parking spot back there. And look at this. You got little spots where you can grill, basically picnic. And this is called Cunningham State Park here in Maryland. And you got the lake on this side. And you got parking on this side, parking on that side. Do not park on grass, okay. But there's the picnic area. And up here you're gonna see hella people because it's hella that time of time. Yeah. So when we went to the ticket booth, it closes at dark. And it'll be 8:15 or so. Guarantee you, we gotta walk up in the woods to the falls, so that's where we're headed now. But we have to walk all past this because we had to find a parking spot. But this right here is a beach for the Maryland folks. This is their beach. Like in Florida, we have beaches. Well, in Maryland, they got mountain beaches. And I think it's pretty cool, but us Floridians, man, that water is ice cold. But still, see how they're up there just chilling, having their old lovely picnic. That's awesome, man. So we're gonna go over here. You got your kayaks. It's awesome, man. Bring your boat, come out here and chill. How you doing? Look at these trees. Beautiful. Take a little step down here. And it looks like, wow, beautiful. You know, picnic,
Nice, very nice.
relax, chill. Looks like they got lifeguards.
Yeah. So there's the beach.
Wow.
Oh, look at the old barn looking house.
That's awesome.
Yeah, this is so cool.
Look at those stones. I wanted you to stand right there so I could take a picture. Beautiful, man.
Oh, so they go back and forth right here? Is that
Yep.
what they do on the paddleboard?
That's what it looks like. Lifeguards. They come over and they jump on this little boat here and they paddle themselves right across the water to the next lifeguard section over there.
So cool.
Yep.
That beats walking for
Yep,
sure.
for sure.
And he's off. It's a good workout.
Straight across.
I like that.
Red, white, and blue.
Oh, look.
Wow. Here's the path.
Listen past all the screaming children, you can hear beautiful water flowing. Beautiful water flowing. So beautiful.
How you guys doing? Good. Man, it feels so breezy in here, and oh, it's awesome. I hope you guys are liking it also. So beautiful. This here is a bridge that goes over this creek. Small little creek, but I guarantee you when it starts to rain, it will turn into a bigger creek.
So cool. Having the beach right.
And then you have this with that and this. What the is going on here?
Paper and duct tape.
We made it to the actual trail.
So lower.
Some deep doo-doo.
Yeah.
Look how beautiful it is, guys. And it says that it's heavy terrains. So if you hear me breathing hard, sorry.
Timber.
Here, look at all that up there, though. Up there. How do the folks get over there? Wow.
Oh, look at that dog.
There's a dog. How do you get over there?
Yeah, puppy.
Yeah, look, you want to go all the way up there? No, he's about to go in there and swim. That's awesome.
Yeah, Papa.
Then let's go.
That is a
Yeah. Maybe not. I thought they were. That would have been fucking hilarious. But you could slide down there though.
Yeah. I'm not going all the way up there. And not only she gave.
Now we're gonna walk ourselves down this amazing waterfall. So we're gonna walk through the woods to grandmother's house we go. All rocks. Alright, well, I wish you didn't take me this way, because I know the other way. I don't think we can get out this way.
Are you recording?
Yep. Oh wait, here we go. Perfect. Holy shit. What's still? Alright, Nick, come on. Just when I turned around. And I even said, I said, watch out, slippery. What do you mean? I just turned around, you're the one that slipped. How's that my fault? That's hilarious. What, dear? You can't do it? Just slide down then. And then we can slide down this hill. That's a big old, holy cow. And then that's the bottom down there. So we gotta figure out how to get down there. I think this way. Waterfall. Cliff. And Nikki.
No.
Do another. Just be careful that you don't twist your ankle.
Yeah, I know.
There's a lot of roots. A lot of roots. Yeah.
You too.
I know.
Especially with laughing at me and video kidding me. Mama's gonna get it.
We can go that way, or we can go this way. Next to this big blinking rock.
not right. Bottom.
Made it to the bottom. Now we gotta make it over the creek. Look at that. Beautiful. We found some civilization. Hear all the people?
Yeah.
Now what they're doing is yelling.
Okay. How are you doing with that?
Alright guys, it's gonna be a challenge. So let's play it safe. One rock at a time. One rock at a time. One rock at a time. Yes sir. Alright, which rock? Guys, which rock? I think we should go this way. What? Which rock? Which rock? Bingo! Got it, babe. Play it safe. I don't think we can pass this. Maybe if we pick the right rock again. But that's a pretty rocky side.
Now I have to turn the fence?
Maybe we gotta cross this way.
Wait, that way.
No, you can't go through there. There's 2 small rocks. I'm gonna go this way. There's big rocks.
Yeah, and then you have to go all the way.
Alright, baby. See you at the other end. Made it. Alright, Nick, you got it. Play it safe. Yep, that's where you messed up. Go. Don't let it sit there. You got it. Last look of the waterfall that we climbed up. Went up there, went around. Came through there, came through here, through there, and back out we go.